So this is what they get every day, all the beds, new carpet, fresh, new sheets, fresh water. There's the old stuff, so we have to wash that one, throw them in the bin. And there's all the little fellas in widescreen. Oh, one's starting to bark. Bit of attitude. Come on, Mum. Gonna feed them. Hello, Mummy. Hello, Mum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously 7, 8, they're all there, good. Ah, look at this. I'm trying to get in on the action. They know where to go now, don't they? Go on then.